Hello everybody. Today I'm going to cover about variable shadowing. Okay. So let's create one global variable here, which is not a good thing to do because it may cause some problem because anybody can change it. Only global variable is okay when it is constant. So let's say this is an age and the age of the person, let's say 11 now. So this is a global variable because it can be accessed anywhere. I can print the age and you'll see when I run this, age is 11 on the left. This is cool, so everything is fine for now. But when I come here and create another variable with the same name, this is then shadowing starts happening. So when I try to print after this line, okay, in line 10, at this moment, let's hit F10, do step by step. This time when I try to print in this line, this is the execution line, age is undefined looks like, and now it is 11. I have no idea, this tooltip is crazy. So age now at 22 we just created and it prints 22. So this is global variable and it is shadowed by this one. So if I create some scope over here, this is, as you know, the C++, every curly bracket means a scope. It could be while loop, it could be if, but even this virtual one is okay. So if I come here and try to print age, you will see the 22 will be printed again. So let's do it step by step. Just follow the black screen, the console. So age is printed, now new age coming, and 22, and we will see another 22. That's what was expected. But after this line, I'm going to create another one. I will call this 33. And try to print out that one. Let's see what's going to happen now. Okay, I'm going to delete a little bit so we can have more focus, and I will hit F10 and follow the arrow, yellow arrow, and this is 11 as expected. Now it is shadowed by this 22, which is age again, and 22 is okay still because from this line forward only this guy is known, but another age came, so it is 33. Now you will see 33. But let's go outside of this one and print. You might expect, as in you are expecting this should be that one because this is the global one shadowed. That is correct. So let's rerun this. So again 11, 22, again 22, and now 33. And this 33 has died because these are all in the stack memory, and automatically this is cleaned from the memory. You don't need to worry about it. We are not using dynamic memory. So this age has been cleaned from memory. So age, this guy is in the stack, so we have that one. This is cool. So let's try to complicate stuff a little bit. So let's have a function void print me function, okay? And I'd like to have integer age again. I use the same variable, okay? When I try to do cout age, let's see what is gonna happen now. So one problem in this case, some people uses the same name, even some people forgets this one. So we are using same name. So from now on, this age is local age. So this is not global variable. So let me come here and call print me, and I am going to give like 55 to this one. So now let's do debugging again, F10. I am here. Now I hit F11 to branch into this one. All these things are here. I'm not making new thing. F10 step over, step into. So I'm going to step into this one because, and now I'm here. The age is 55 is printed because we shadowed. So if I don't want to send any parameter to this one, so I'm going to get rid of this parameter. Okay. Now you will expect, right, to see global one, and you are right. And anywhere I print this, even after this 22, I'm going to print me again here. And F10, this is step Y. This is 11 and 22 we expect, right? Oh, I should be using new line. And now I'm going to print this one. and branch here, again 11. Because print me is in this location, and in this location, these guys are not known because they are valid between the curly bracket of main function. So they are not known outside of it. So that is the case. We have that one. So let me have this end line here. So we need to be careful when we are using, same names in different situation. So you may be shadowing that one, and you might think you are using the global one, and this is called shadowing, variable shadowing. So it has so its scope is between, I told you, this curly bracket. It is kind of like this. I gave this analogy. So if you, this is like let's say this is a school boundary, and then there's a class. You are in a classroom, right? So in the classroom, if there's a person named Alex, right? And if the president is also named Alex. So if you are outside of a class, if you are talking about Alex, people might think you are talking about the president. But when you talk about Alex in the class, you meant the a student or person in the class. So this Alex in this case is shadowing the other Alex outside global scope. And if this is not the school boundary, but this is whole area is the government, and the president name is Alex. Then when you are talking in here, then they will think you are talking about the Alex of the president. But if I have a variable like this, integer age here, okay, then I need to pass some variables over here. Sorry, just making up. So this is kind of another village or another town. So it has a maybe mayor Alex, the same name. So that guy is only remembered. So the president is shadowed now in this town. So that is the case. Hope this will help. What is variable shadowing?